So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your own TikTok effect and submit them on TikTok. And this is our TikTok effects which we are going to make now, and we will submit it on TikTok right now. The first thing you have to do is download Effect House app from the TikTok official website. Here are some of the images which I'm going to use, and this will be my icon image, and this one will be my tap to start button. And without doing any delay, let's open the app and let's get started. Okay, I'll make it a little big. Right now I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete this for a while. We will use it in future. So at first I'm going to add some images. Okay, which ones should I add? Okay. So at first I'm going to add this tap to start button, and I would like to rename this image as start. And the next thing I'm going to do is adding more images. So this time I will be add from texture sequence. So here are the list of images which I am going to add, and I'm going to rename this texture sequence to result. And you can see our image is already running. Isn't it cool? If you have anything to ask, you can comment below and I'll be happy to reply you. The next thing we are going to do is add object, hair tracking and head tracker. And one more time, go to add object, 2D image, and drag the 2D camera above the head tracker and canvas below the head. And we are going to show the tap to start button, which is very easy. Just click the image part and you can click here, texture, and just click the start button and okay. And you can see the button is already showing. So let's change the size of the button. And to do that we are going to I don't know actually. So just let's change the scale size to 20 times. Oh, it's very I think it is good. So let's move it a little bit upward. So I'm going to change the y-axis to -0.6 and x-axis I think it will be okay. And we are going to show our sequences image. So to do that we are going to duplicate this image and I will rename it to the result. Okay, isn't it easy? So the next thing I'm going to do is add component, and from there you can animate an animate sequence, and you can see the texture sequence. So you can click on result and press OK, and you can see our sequences image is running. So change the play mode loop to randomize and FPS to 99. I think it will be good. So let's change a little bit size. So I'm going to make it 22. Let's see. I think it is good. Okay, I think it is working well, right? So the next thing we are going to do is a visual scripting, which is very important. So just add note and go to screen tap. Okay, and the next thing we need is timer. So here is the timer. Just click on timer. Okay, and the next thing which we need is animation sequence controller. Okay, here it is, animation sequence controller. And the next thing is set visibility, and we need to set visibility, so I'm going to copy paste. And let's arrange it properly. So the next thing we are going to do is go to animation sequence and click on get animation sequence, and again go to the result. Where is the result? Where okay, up. So just click on result and take get result. We are almost done, and the last thing we need is start. So to get that, I have to change this to start, and go to the plus button and click on get start. That's all. From now on we are going to connect the wire, which is very easy. So the first thing is screen tap to start. Connect this start button to the enter, start to target, result to target, enter to enter. Okay, and pause to the resume and resume to the pause. Okay, and what should we do? So get animate sequence to the component, and so always remember to turn off the visibility off, and let's change our animation duration to 3 seconds. Okay, and here it is. Now you can see our filter is completed, and we are going to upload our filter to the store. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you have to do is recording a video. You can use this video or you can make your own, it's up to you. And for now I'm going to use this video, so let's save this video somewhere. Okay, and just click on submit. I'm going to name this as Guess Kanji. This will be my effect name, and I'm going to add a icon, and which is called Guess Hiragana. Isn't it cool? And effect hint, I want to add tap screen and upload. And after hitting upload, you will be redirected to Effect House, and I'm going to choose a category, challenge, tag. So I'm going to add some tags. Okay, that will be fine. Let's add some Japanese word also, and my additional comment will be learn Japanese with friend. Isn't it cool? Then I'm going to upload a video which I already save in my folder, so that will be Guess Kanji. Okay.